Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to use AI prompts with ChatGPT to Midjourney. So you can just come to ChatGPT and tell him to generate me a seal prompt. So this prompt or any prompt that is so simple like this won't actually give you the best prompt for Midjourney. You need to make a customized or fully customized prompt to make it in Midjourney. You can actually have a formula like this one. I'll see from here. You can tell him the subject, action and pose, environment, background, the lighting, the camera lens angle, and a lot of things I'll see from here. You need to give him every detailed thing that you have. So how can this actually work? So I will tell ChatGPT using this prompt formula for Midjourney. Make me a seal singing in a theater prompt for Midjourney. So now after you finish this prompt, you can just hit on enter, and now ChatGPT will give you the best prompt that you can have. As you see, I just translated the language. So here's the prompt. You can just copy it. I'll see from here. And now you can just paste this prompt inside Midjourney. I'll see from here. So I can just paste this prompt from here because I'm not subscribed yet to Midjourney, but you can do that and try it and tell me your opinion down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.